Hi everyone, this is Manu Rao back with another video. This is a special type of video. We are able to see that Antyodaya Express is approaching towards Thiruvananthapuram Kochuveli station. In this video, our duty is to drive this twin ERS WDM 3A locomotive further and take reversal, and we have to come back towards the Thiruvananthapuram Kochuveli station, and we have to couple our loco with KVCL LTT Garib Rath Express rakes. After coupling with KVCL LTT Garib Rath rakes, we have to move towards our final destination, that is Ernakulam Junction. And I would like to give credit or thanks for Mr. Tejas, who has done this beautiful activity for GST route. Thanks Mr. Tejas, and keep doing this type of beautiful and interesting activities for different routes. And one more important thing is that please like and subscribe my channel for more and interesting gameplay videos of MSTS and Open Rails. I already mentioned you, it is a special type of or different type of duty where our twin ERS WDM 3A locomotive will be standing at the yards of Thiruvananthapuram Kochuveli station, and we have to move towards the reversal point, and there we have to take reversal, and we have to come back towards the Thiruvananthapuram Kochuveli station, and we have to couple our twin ERS WDM 3A loco to KVCL LTT Garib Rath Express rakes. After the signal clearance, we have to move further towards our final destination, that is Ernakulam Junction. While moving towards Ernakulam Junction, we are able to see many train will overtake and cross our train. I will give you 100% surety you will enjoy this video more. These twin WDM 3A ERS locomotive are made by Broadgauge Productions. To buy any Indian Railways add-ons, please do visit Broadgauge Productions, and also visit Team Vitsa Productions. Both are developing high texture model for MSTS and Open Rails. We can see that we are very near to the reversal point, so let's load on our locos. The route which I use in this video is GST route. It is a beautiful route. This route covers from Nagarkoil Junction till Thiruvananthapuram Junction. Please download. It is available freely in trainsim.com. We have to move further towards that reversal point until it turns into green color. Then we have to stop our train, and then we have to take reversal and come back towards the Kochuveli station. We can see that the reversal point has turned into green, so let's stop our locos by applying the brake. Yes, we stop our loco. Let's change the cab of the loco. Yes, we change the cab. Let's release the brake and let's move direction forward, and let's slowly depart. We can see in track monitor that two blue color line which indicate the platform. So we are very near to the platform, so we have to move slowly. Before that, we can see that red color signal, so we have to slow down our loco. Then we have to press Alt button so that it will give permission to move further, and we can see the beautiful cab view of WDM ERS locomotive. We are very near to the red signal, so let's press Alt button so that we get permission. As we get permission, so that we can move further and we can couple our loco with KVCL LTT Garib Rath rakes. Yes, we are able to hear the honking sound of some train. Let's see which train is that. As finally we can see the train. Let's see which train is that. Oh, the train name is Malabar Express, which is leading by Ghaziabad P7 locomotive, which is moving rapidly towards KVCL junction, I think. Malabar Express with the ICF Blue and Utkrist coaches. We are very near to the platform of Tirunanthapuram Kochuvelli station. We can see that. In our right side of our track, we can see ICF as well as Amsafar Express coaches which are standing. Yes, we are very near, so let's apply the brake and let's slow down our train. In left side we can see that Antyodaya Express which has crossed our loco at the beginning. Let's apply the brake of the locos and let's stop our train for the smooth coupling action. As we can see that we are very near to the Garib Rath Express rake. Let's move slowly towards the rake so that we can have smooth coupling action. This is one of the best camera angles so that we can enjoy the beautiful coupling action. We can see that our loco coming slowly towards the Garib Rath rake. As finally we coupled with the KVCL LTT Garib Rath Express. Let's change the cab. Yes, we changed the cab. We can see that we are currently in cab 1. So let's move slowly. You can see the signal is clear. Let's make a long horn and let's depart Trivandrum Kochuvelli station. We can see the fog of some Alco locomotive. Yes, the train name is Kanyakumari Punalur. Passenger is passing KVCL station. We can see that. And we are slowly departing Trivandrum Kochuvelli station. Yes, we can see another train that is Tirunanthapuram Kolam passenger is overtaking our Garib Rath Express. We can see that. With full of ICF brakes. Our signal is red because we can see that passenger train is overtaking our Garib Rath Express. So we have to slow down our train. Interior of Garib Rath coach. Credit goes for Team Visa Productions. We can see that signal is red in track monitor. So let's slow down our train by applying the brakes. We can see that we are slow down our train. Let's move little further because signal is too far away from our train. So let's move little further. We can feel greenery nature in GST route. We are very near to the red signal. We can see in track monitor. So let's apply the brake of the train and let's slow down our train. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching my video and please do supporting my channel.